Hello, so this is a video, just because I haven't really seen answers posted online, you just kind of have to figure it out yourself for the most part. So I just thought I'd help out a little bit. So this is the MPK Mini, and basically the problem is with the Arpeggiator. So I see a lot of people are having the problem where you play, and you can hear that, but then once you turn the Arpeggiator on, you get nothing, but the pads still work. And then I had an issue with this for a little bit because when I was in the editor, I did exactly what I was supposed to do. So just a second, this isn't the right one. I had, as I had read online, this on, obviously, and then the clock set to external. But I was still not getting any noise when the Arpeggiator was on. So, first off, if you don't have this, this could very well be your issue. Make sure that the clock is set to external and this is on. And again, if you don't have that mapping software, it's the Akai Professional Editor, and you can download that from the Akai website. I would imagine there's lots of people who are using Ableton, as it's kind of what they recommended, and I also have Hybrid open here if you're not sure what that is. That is my VST plugin, and if you have this, there's a good chance you have Hybrid because it came with it in a package. So first off, you're going to want to go to Preferences, and you're going to click on MIDI, and you're going to want to make sure that sync is on, as well as on the output. So yeah, you're going to want to make sure that both of those are on in sync for MPK Mini output and input. And that's your first thing. Make sure that's happening. If it's not, then it's not going to work because it's not going to sync to the clock from Ableton. So make sure that that's set up right. And then the other thing, you can see I have both of those things set, and I'm still not getting sound with my Arpeggiator on. So really the issue there is that Ableton won't send out the tempo unless it's being played. So when you press play, the tempo is being sent. And then if that's the case, then your Arpeggiator will start to work. So, and then yeah, so that's really what it comes down to. I'm not sure if that's the case for all the AWs, but for Ableton at least, you have to have it playing. Kind of annoying, little bug, I guess. But yeah, if it's not playing, it won't send the tempo to the controller, and you won't hear any noise. So that solves the issue of Arpeggiator silencing your keys, but keeping your pads on. Yeah.